Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to join a creator server. Start now. First, confirm the platform and make sure your account is active and verified. Once done, copy the invite link or server ID from the creator's profile or announcement. If the link opens in a browser, choose the app option to maintain settings. If it prompts login, complete that step. Make sure your display name and avatar are set so moderators recognize you when you enter the server. You've clicked the invite, now follow the verification flow. Accept any server rules and complete CAPTCHA or role assignment forms. This prevents raids and ensures access to creator channels. Once verified, authorize minimal app permissions when requested. Avoid granting broad admin rights. Then navigate to the Welcome or Introduction channel, read pinned messages, and choose notification settings that fit your focus. If the server uses reaction roles, select the roles that match your interests to unlock relevant subchannels. You're inside, now engage thoughtfully. Introduce yourself in the Welcome channel, follow posting guidelines, and use tags or pinned resources to find creator content. Contribute value, ask informed questions, share relevant work, and respect channel topics so you build trust. If you can't join or channels remain locked, make sure the invite hasn't expired, check that your account meets verification, and confirm you accepted server rules. If problems persist, message moderators or the creator directly with a concise screenshot and explanation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.